Hi, everyone. I think we're recording. I just wanted to pop in. This is Dr. Cynthia Mann, and I wanted to pop in and just kind of give an update about my energy card that I've talked about before. And I got this really cool lanyard. I really like it. It's got the jungle vibe going on. But I put my little energy card in here. This is what it looks like. And it's got all the goodies, but it's pretty cool. So now I can have it on me all the time without forgetting it or losing it or whatever, which I have done before. So I'm continuing to use that card and really getting good results from it. So I wanted to encourage you again to give this card a try and just reach out to me, because if you reach out to me, I can tell you how to get the best price on it. Hey. Okay. And it's really not that expensive. And the really cool thing is, I don't know exactly how long it lasts, but there is no like expiration date. Like it will work for years. And so it's a very small investment for a lot of good well-being. I mean, just general feeling good, um, not having stress, and it helps. I think it helps my stress levels because I'm a very stressed out person, and I don't really feel that way at all. I mean, maybe if something happened, but I used to just have everyday stress. And even though the same things are still happening, um, I just feel like I handle it better. And anyway, so I wanted to encourage you to reach out to me, make an appointment if you need to on my calendar, or better yet, just talk to me in my Facebook DMs, because it's a really easy way to chat back and forth and let you know more about it. There are other things that you can use that are even less than than this energy card, but they're also more temporary. They are like um disposable kind of things, but they do target specific things like sleep and pain, and um, even um, we have a hologram for if you have like some addictive type tendencies, like maybe smoking, you want to quit smoking, or you might have some kind of habit that you want to quit. We have things for that. And this is the new wave of the future. It's been a long time coming. It's been 20 years that these very same things have been used in Europe. So they do have a long track record of being helpful and people getting good results from them. Um, but here we have been walking the more allopathic path. So if you want to try something that's not ingesting anything that you have to worry about is going to interfere with medications or anything like that, I really highly recommend this, because it's a way to kind of check out being more natural and not having to stop your other things if you don't want to, and just seeing how you feel. So there's all kinds of things you can do with this little card, and I'm going to be talking more about that at a later time. So as always, I'm looking out for your health, looking out for my health, looking out for my family's health. And I just like to share what I find that works, because you could put a lot of money out, and I have. I'm trying different things, and you know, you just don't really know what works. And I am here to tell you that I've gotten a really good result with this. Highly recommend it, and I would love to talk to you about it.